In this video, we are going to see that if you come across this issue in Microsoft Edge which says administrator mode detected, close Microsoft Edge and relaunch in the non-administrator mode for the best performance. Here's a fairly simple method on how you can easily resolve that. So what we basically do is you go to the start menu and you write here, change user account control settings. Click on that. And what you do is you basically set it to one step back right here. And it says notify me only when the abstract to make changes to the computer. Do not dim my desktop. And after that, just hit OK, click yes. And you might need to restart your browser or even restart your Windows to make this effective. And that is how it works. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.